That's Scarlet. He's the sharpest crayon I know.
You know, crayons us have an important job to do.
We have made your creations super colorful.
And with so many colors to choose from, the possibilities are endless. What's your favorite color?
What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color, yaar?
Since 1903, Crayola has made over 600 different shades of crayons. That's a lot of cousins.
Granny Smith Atwood holds the best family reunions.
And Turk, did you know that out of America's top 10 favorite Crayola crayon colors, 6 of them are shades of blue, like you?
Great.
मैं बनाऊंगा तो ये ब्रश रख ले, ब्रश अच्छा है। Is this a web feature? Ihan,
चलो आजा
जा जा। जा, जा, जा। जा, तेरा फोटो खींच ले।
Jazzberry Jam! That's a lot of crayon.
It is a lot of crayons, sir, and we're going to be making some of those crayons right here today using these machines. This equipment dates back to the early 1900s, and Crayola still uses some of these machines in their factories today. Scarlett, Turk, and I are excited to show all of you some of the things we do to make sure every crayon is safe, strong, and super special. So we'll start over here at the left and we'll take where I've got some wax wood.
अच्छा चल रहा है। करो इसको कंप्लीट करो भैया, इसको कंप्लीट करो। वेरी गुड, जब पापा वाला भैया करो, फिल करो इसको। फिल करो अब इसको। इसको प्रेस कर दो। ग्रीन लाइट आई तब इस पे आओ विहान, विहान यू कम हियर। आप बनाओ जो आपको बनाना है। Yes. हाँ बनाओ। करो करो।
Left side में ना left. Good.